Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past Question, question 45. Which of the following actions would increase the electric force between two positively charged particles? A. Decreasing the mass of the particles. B. Decreasing the distance between the particles. C. Increasing the distance between the particles. And D. Increasing the mass of the particles. Now, according to Coulomb's law, we state that the electric force between two electrons or two charged particles is directly proportional, that is F is directly proportional to the product of the charges, that is Q1 and Q2, and also inversely proportional to the square of the distance between these two charges. Now that is what Coulomb's law. Now the question says, which of the following action would increase the electric force between two positively charged particles? Now this electric force between these two positively charged particles can only be increased, that is increase in this force can only be gotten when the charges or the quantity of the charges is increased, that is when there's an increase in the quantity of the charge, and also when there's a decrease in the distance between the charges or particles. Now this is because the force is inversely proportional. The electric force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between these two charges. So therefore, decreasing the distance will increase the force, and increasing the distance will decrease the force. And the question says increase the electric force. So therefore, decreasing the distance would increase the electric force, and that is option B, decreasing the distance between the particles, as stated by Coulomb's law. Thank you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.